Guess what? We hit 200 subscribers today. Yay! Finally, we reached this huge number, and I was so much waiting for it. And finally, you guys made it. I want to thank you all so much, because 200 is not a small number, guys. I am not even able to speak because I am so much happy today. And seeing that huge number in front of the subscribers just makes me like, I just can't imagine, because like, I never thought that it would happen. And now I'll think that 200 people are really watching my videos and would like to watch my videos, and would wait for my videos probably. So this is really a big achievement for me, because I just can't explain you guys. I am so happy today, and I would like to thank each one of you who have subscribed to my channel, and even who are here new watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, so that even you will be included in my family from now onwards, and we can have lots of fun together. So I'm just like not even in that phase to talk, but then I just wanted to thank you all, because of you today I am here. And you all are my family now, and I would always like to do good things for my subscribers, and make good content videos, so that you all can enjoy watching, and you all will love me the way you are doing right now, and would always appreciate my work, and would always support me like you all are doing right. So I would just like to tell something about my journey of my YouTube. Basically, before 2 months I started my YouTube, and the day when I started, I was like, I was not aware that what I'm supposed to do exactly. I just started because lockdown was going on, so I thought, why not to give a try. Always you should give a try to new things and explore it, so you will be able to understand that what it is actually, and you will gain a lot of knowledge in that process. So same thing I did, and I even gained a lot of knowledge in this process. And I would definitely like to thank my sister Sakshi, who supported me from the day one, when I was not even aware how to shoot videos. That time she really did a lot for me, and I would definitely thank her a lot, and would always thank her, because a person who helps you in the starting is really, like, you should always thank them. And I have learned, I would not take much of your time, and just two more minutes, please guys, bear with me. But I am so happy that I can't end talking today. So I have learned two things from YouTube, like, since 2 months. And the first thing is that I have learned how to talk, how to express my feelings in front of the camera. And because I know that many of the people are going to watch my video, so I understood what I'm supposed to talk, and how I'm supposed to talk and interact with people. Second thing I learned is, earlier when I used to see YouTubers making videos, I always used to comment, like, not personally in that comment section, but I used to think that there are some errors, this is not proper, that is not proper. I always used to criticize. But then later on, when I started YouTube myself, today I know that what it is actually: editing, shooting, and doing lot of things. You are supposed to decide what content you are supposed to make the video on, how you are supposed to edit. And it happens, guys, it is not an easy task, it is very difficult. So I learned that always we should appreciate anybody in any work, whatever they do, we should always appreciate them. And I have learned this from YouTube. So that's it, I would like to say. Really thank you a lot, everybody who has subscribed, and please support me like this only, so that I can make more videos. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now. It is just a couple of seconds that you need to press the subscribe button, and that's it. It would mean a lot to me. That's it. I don't know why. Yesterday I made this. Thank you for you all. Thank you so much that you all subscribe to my channel and you all like my videos. And I would love if you give me the constructive criticism. I would happily accept it. Whatever you feel, just let me know, and I would definitely try to improve it in my next video. So guys, till then, keep loving me, keep supporting me, and that's it. Till then, guys, stay home, stay safe. Please be safe at your home. If it's not needed, don't go out, because we need to take care of ourselves, because outside world is very difficult now to live. So please stay home and enjoy. Till then, bye bye. Again, thank you so much. Bye bye.